Ever found yourself staring at a pile of invoices, wondering how you're going to pay your team, and then realizing you're also juggling client payments, scheduling, and everything else that comes with running a field service business? Yeah, me too. It's a chaotic dance, isn't it? And in that dance, there's always one question that seems to pop up more than others, especially if you're using Jobber. Does Jobber offer payroll? Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's take a step back. Because this question isn't just about a feature. It's about streamlining your entire operation. It's about time. It's about accuracy. It's about peace of mind. Think about it. You're out there, building your business, providing top-notch service, and the last thing you want to worry about is whether your team is getting paid correctly and on time. We all know the headaches of payroll. Manually calculating hours, dealing with deductions, chasing down timesheets. It can feel like a full-time job in itself. And if you're already using Jobber for scheduling, invoicing, and client communication, it's natural to wonder if it can handle this crucial aspect of your business too. So, let's cut to the chase. Does Jobber offer payroll? The short answer is not directly in the traditional sense of a full built-in payroll processing system. Jobber doesn't handle the direct generation of pay stubs, tax filings, and direct deposits in the way dedicated payroll services like Gusto, QuickBooks Payroll, or ADP do. But here's the thing, and this is where it gets interesting. Jobber offers a powerful suite of tools that can significantly simplify your payroll process, making it much easier to integrate with a dedicated payroll service. It acts as a crucial bridge, a data hub that takes a lot of the manual work out of the equation. Let's break down how Jobber helps with payroll, even without being a payroll provider itself. First, let's talk about time tracking. Jobber's time tracking features are robust. Your team can clock in and out directly from the mobile app, logging their hours on specific jobs. This eliminates the need for paper timesheets, reducing errors and saving you time. You can see exactly how many hours each team member has worked, broken down by job and day. This gives you a clear and accurate picture of your labor costs. This data is then easily exportable, allowing you to seamlessly transfer it to your chosen payroll provider. Imagine no more manually entering hours. Just a few clicks and your payroll data is ready to go. This integration with existing workflows is where Jobber shines. Second, Jobber allows you to track expenses. You can record any expenses incurred by your team, such as fuel, materials, or mileage. This information is crucial for accurate payroll calculations, especially when reimbursing employees for work-related expenses. By keeping all your expense data in one place, you can ensure that your payroll is accurate and compliant. Third, Jobber's reporting features provide valuable insights into your labor costs. You can generate reports that show your total labor costs per job, and labor costs per team member. This data can help you identify areas where you can improve efficiency and reduce costs. When you understand your labor costs thoroughly, you can make smarter decisions about pricing, staffing, and overall profitability. Fourth, and this is a big one, Jobber simplifies invoicing and payments. You can easily generate invoices for your clients and track payments. This is important for payroll because it ensures that you have the funds available to pay your team. By streamlining your invoicing and payment process, Jobber helps you maintain a healthy cash flow, which is essential for consistent payroll. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Why doesn't Jobber offer full payroll processing? The answer lies in specialization. Jobber focuses on being the best field service management software it can be. It excels at scheduling, invoicing, client communication, and job management. Payroll is a complex and highly regulated area. By partnering with dedicated payroll providers, Jobber allows you to choose the best solution for your specific needs, while still providing the data and tools you need to streamline the process. Think of it this way. Jobber is the conductor of your field service orchestra. Keeps all the instruments, scheduling, invoicing, time tracking, playing in harmony. But for the complex and specialized task of payroll, it brings in a virtuoso, a dedicated payroll service, to ensure a flawless performance. So, how do you integrate Jobber with a payroll provider? The process is straightforward. You'll need to choose a payroll provider that meets your needs. Consider factors such as cost, features, and ease of use. Once you've chosen a provider, you can export your time tracking and expense data from Jobber and import it into your payroll system. Most payroll providers offer tools for importing data from various sources, making the process seamless. You can also leverage Jobber's API, if you have the technical resources, to build custom integrations. This allows you to automate the transfer of data between Jobber and your payroll system, further streamlining your workflow. Let's talk about some best practices for using Jobber with your payroll. First, ensure that your team is accurately tracking their time. Train them on how to use the Jobber mobile app to clock in and out, and emphasize the importance of accurate timekeeping. Second, regularly review your time tracking and expense data. This will help you identify any errors or discrepancies and ensure that your payroll is accurate. Third, establish a clear process for exporting and importing data between Jobber and your payroll system. This will help you avoid delays and ensure that your payroll is processed on time. Fourth, consider using a payroll provider that integrates well with Jobber. Some payroll providers offer direct integrations or partnerships with Jobber, which can further simplify the process. Fifth, keep your team informed about your payroll process. Communicate with them about pay dates, deductions, and any other relevant information. This will help build trust and ensure that everyone is on the same page. And finally, remember that payroll compliance is crucial. Stay up to date on the latest payroll regulations and ensure that your payroll process is compliant with all applicable laws. So, while Jobber doesn't offer payroll directly, it does offer the tools to make your payroll workflow significantly more efficient. It's about leveraging the best of both worlds, using Jobber's robust field service management features and integrating them with a dedicated payroll provider. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.